summer. Today is July 3 at tayo mag-harvest na sa ating konting garden. Yan, madami ng bunga sili. Okay, hold it. Okay. Then, cut some of this. Yes. Not like that. Paano this? Oh! Okay, and then the other one. Yes. And the rest. I can grab more. Okay. And this one. Yes. And then here, cut the beans. And here we have cucumber that's hiding. Look, come here. Look, we have 2 cucumbers hiding. Look. Look at the cucumber. Come on, get it. You just take the video. What video? Hello lovelies! Ayan, ito na ang aking na-harvest today. May konti naman. This is just in my patio. Hindi ako nagtanim sa garden this year kasi grabing init. So I have 3 pickling cucumbers, 3 pieces of green beans, and a big banana pepper. Tapos madami akong talbos ng kamote. Ito talagang favorite ko. Yan, talbos. Talbos ng kamote. Ayan, malago ang ating parsley. Dami tayong parsley. Ayan ang kamatis. Dami tayong cherry tomatoes.